Just having a walk. It's Saturday morning still. Time we on now? About, what, 11? Something along those lines. Not sure if people's been along here before. I'm on Lower Walk. Heading towards, you're just about against Square here if you went up on the top walk. Really nice, you know, like I was saying yesterday on one of the videos, how nice it is. And the sun's come out a little bit. You see the old Bolton pond there. When we were kids we used to go crabbing there. Get mussels off the North Pier, then walk up here, go crabbing. There you go, there's another thing we used to do during the 6 weeks holidays. But isn't it nice? Sun's come out a little bit, like I say. Tide is going out. I've just looked at them pipes again at North. And I didn't realise, but they really are close to low tide. I didn't realise how far the tide was in yesterday. But they are. There's no tunnels there. Isn't it nice? If you've never been this way before, you know, in the summer, it really is nice. But you can even get Hole in the Wall cafe. You get a brew and that during the summer. This is the Gin Slipway. There we go. I don't know if anyone's ever been this way before, but it really is cracking. So to give you an idea where we are, we've literally, if I just a little bit, so the sun's nice now, the sun's coming. This is Gin Square just above here. If I walk up here, I'm going to come back down. I don't know if you've all been this way before. Especially if you're not from Blackpool. This gives you an idea what it's like. 12th of December today. And I have got it right today for once. Let's turn, go that way if you want. That's going back down towards Derby Baths and what have you. Let's turn left up the steps here. And you'll know where we are. They've got the Spitfire here at the Gin Square as well. This is Jubilee Gardens just here. I don't know if you've seen them before. So yeah, I think the sun come out. Lovely, isn't it? Here you go, I'll show you the Spitfire. Yeah, so you've probably passed on the Prom. There's a Savoy there. Jubilee Gardens here. And Savoy just there. Let's get out, there's a tram coming, but I've got time. Yeah. There you go, there's a Spitfire for you. I can't see much on screen at the moment, the sun's right in my eye. There you go, that's got it, hasn't it? Gin pub there, just opposite. There you go. But it's cracking up this end of Blackpool. I know a lot don't come this way. You know, they stick around the Golden Mile, around Coral Island area, between the piers basically, innit, normally. Have a wander through Jubilee Gardens. Go. Now, I'm sure when we were kids, I know I keep saying when we were kids, this, that and the other, but the stream came down further. Sure it did. Oh no, someone let me know if you know better once again. If I say something and I'm totally wrong, please just comment. I'm not bothered. Old enough, ugly enough to take it on the chin. It's nice, so you can appreciate there's a bit of sun out today, 12th of December. Cracking in the summer around here. Doesn't look like that stream's on at all now, to be fair. Just coming up to that hotel as well, you know, where the fire was last week. I did a video on that as well. Yeah, I'm sure the stream used to come right down here. Did it? Isn't it nice though? You can have a little picnic there. There you go, there's that hotel. Let's see if I can get that in a bit better. We'll have a look in a minute. Walking up that way anyway. There we go. Yeah, I'm only out for a wander until 1 o'clock when the Formula 1 qualifying starts, so thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, there's the cliffs. There's the hotel, look, that was on fire last week. It shut the promenade down for, what, overnight basically. I think it was open again the next morning, the Prom. Yeah, I've just been down to the Ambassador as well. I was going to Derby Baths area, but obviously I passed the Ambassador. You've not seen the video. They've got breeze block there now, so they're obviously going to be doing something. I'll pop that video on when I get back. Yeah, so this is where, and the stream used to come down this way towards where I am now. What's it doing nowadays then? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's just, there you go. Yeah, it's going underground now, isn't it? Is it? Or does it just stop there? There we go. We found one of the underground tunnels. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, isn't it nice? I can't see a thing now on screen, but you've got North Pier. The sun's so bright. Not complaining one bit though. Really not. Let's go around this way a bit. Cliffs. Yeah, so we are on the cliffs now, obviously. And there's the old, what was the Bolton Pond Lake, whatever you want to call it, which was next to the Uncle Tom's Cabin. The original Uncle Tom's Cabin was here, and then that fell in, well, into the sea, many moons ago. And then they built Uncle Tom's Cabin just opposite. Let's have a wander up. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the boating lake there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the little saunter. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, if you would, like and subscribe. It does help so much. Have a cracking day. Bye now.